Alright you guys, so whenever you first come in, the changes I have made is I have redone my sofa. So yeah, I painted it as a temporary fix until I make sure that I want it to be this light pink, around this light pink type of color. I would go with like a linen or like a cotton velvet or something like that. The thing is like I've been pretty indecisive with this sofa. I love the quality and I like the line. It's so deep, it's so comfortable, it's so well made, and I like the line work. I want to say it's from the 70s. So it's definitely a piece that I want to reupholster. And if you've watched much of my channel, you know that I do upholstery work. A lot of this is staple work, so I'm very comfortable with that. It's the two cushions I have to have taken in because I don't sew. So it will save me a ton of money. But overall, like I said, I painted it. And it doesn't feel bad. It just feels kind of like canvas, like a drop cloth type, but like smoother. So it's not bad at all. It's actually still really comfortable to me. But I think that it also just depends on what type of fabric you're painting, and your method. Because honestly, it feels kind of like canvas, like a drop cloth slash kind of, it doesn't feel any less comfortable than leather. So, but for us, it's not bad until I feel like getting around to upholstering it and finding the right fabric. So anyways, yeah, I painted this piece yesterday and I just like its simplicity. But yeah, I still have this little desk situation over here. Moved the columns over here to allow for more room, walking space. So this is this angle coming in from my kitchen. I actually found that turquoise velvet at the thrift store. I got at the thrift store and I just put this vintage crown on her. I just wanted to share some of the updates. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.